everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here with my premium Boxycharm unboxing and I am super excited. It literally just arrived at my door when I got home, so we're going to jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha and on my channel I do all things makeup. I typically upload on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays, and I would love for you to join my family, and it would make such a big difference if you would please click the subscribe button. That would make a world of difference to me. Without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. I have not looked at it at all because, like I said, it just arrived on my doorstep, and I'm super excited. We're going to go ahead and open this together. And it is, oh, we have it. And I've seen this as a spoiler that Candy Shop is the theme for this month. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in and see what is in my base box. So the first thing I see is the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. Wow, that is a mouthful. At any rate, this is supposed to be a soft satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. That'll be interesting. The retail value is $21. It does look like a beautiful color. Let's take a look. That is a gorgeous berry color for the fall. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is stunning. I don't know, it smells weird. That'll be interesting to see how it feels on the lips. That is just stunning. I wish I had that color on today. Beautiful, beautiful. So good first start. Next thing is, and I'm excited by this. Usually I'm not excited by skincare, but I do love Murad products. So this is the Murad Hydrating Toner. So it is an ultra hydrating, alcohol-free toner that instantly balances skin's pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. It is $35. It's supposed to smell like chamomile and cucumber extracts to soothe the skin. Let's see. It's a nice sprayer. It doesn't smell like chamomile or cucumber to me at all. It smells florally a little bit. It does have a great sprayer though, so I do like this. And so this would be a step one. So after you cleanse your face and get everything off, if you double cleanse, that's after that step, then you would apply this next. So I'm super excited. I love Murad. I do have a very dry skin, so I do think the hydrating portion of this will be great. Super excited by this. That's awesome. Next product that I see is another skin product. This is the exfoliating swipies. Let's see what this says. It is go-to skincare exfoliating swipies. This single-use exfoliating pad soaked in all-natural solution gets rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and deeply moisturizes. It's $35. I get too much skincare in my Boxycharms. I would prefer makeup products. That's what I put in all my quizzes. That's what I put when I do my reviews. I'm not ever a big single-use fan, but with all of the stuff going on lately with my maskne, with my breaking out, I do have some texture definitely between my eyes as well as kind of along here, and some of that is from the mask that's gotten worse lately. I do like the idea of using these to help with that, as well as to help clear up any of that acne. I'm just looking at the box to see if I missed anything. It does look like it is a cruelty-free product. And other than that, I don't see much. Let's see. And that's another thing. It's not sealed. So I'm never the biggest fan of a product, especially an exfoliating product that's not sealed. I am going to take out one of the pads just so we can see what it looks like. It is not textured on either side. Okay, so trying again, dogs barking, imagine that. So it is a very thin, it is not textured on either side. It does smell very clean. It feels nice. I don't know. Yeah, it smells clean on the skin, kind of. I'll have to see what I think about those. Like I said, I do like the idea of it. Not super big fan to get another skincare product in my box, but with everything going on, it's not a bad option. Retail value on these is $35. Let's go ahead and jump into the next product. Oh, I'm so excited. I saw a spoiler. I try not to look at any spoilers because I don't want to know what's in the boxes until I unbox with you guys, but I did accidentally see this because I did the choice and the pop-up. I was looking through that, and then it tells you on the pop-up that you get this or you may get this with the base box. At any rate, this is the Kosas 8th Muse Iconic Pink Rose Duo. I am super excited by this. The retail value on this is $34. It is a cream blush and highlighter palette. And I got it in 8th Muse is the color. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, sorry. Oh, so that is quite dark for me. I don't know if I'll be able to use that or not. I know on the, at least on the screen that I'm looking at, it looks very light, but in person, it looks very deep and mauve-y. So I'll see if I can swatch these. It is very creamy, and look at that pigment. We're gonna go ahead and swatch it. Wow, so it doesn't swatch as dark as I expected. I'm gonna go ahead and do the highlighter. Again, very, very creamy, pigment right away. And really not as dark at all. This does have more of a pinky plum color on my skin, and in person versus on the viewfinder, it does look a little deep for me. I don't know if I'll be able to pull that off. I'd have to kind of shear it out quite a bit, but very pretty. It is a beautiful creamy color, and I do like cream blushes, so we'll have to try that. I'm excited by that. How cool. Okay, I did really want that, so I'm excited by that product. Boxycharm redeemed themselves a little bit. Next product that I have in here is a Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultrafine Brow Pencil and Styler. It is in a long wear waterproof smudge resistant shade, and it is $20, and I got the shade medium brown. I'm not even going to open it. I'll save this for a giveaway. I am far from medium brown, especially with my hair color. I typically have to use blonde or taupe or those kind of colors for my brows. Medium brown will be far too dark, so I am not even gonna open this up because I do not want to swatch it and not be able to use it. And my family, there's no one in my family that's gonna use this color. So save it for a giveaway at 50, so subscribe so we can get to 50. At any rate, that is, retail value for that is $20, and then I do actually have one more palette, and so this looks like a beautiful palette. There is some like saran wrap stuff that I'll have to take off. This is the Illuminati Cosmetics Illuminati and Isa Eyeshadow Palette, and so this is the collab with Isabel. It's ultra versatile palette, blah blah blah. $48 is the cost of that. I'm smart enough to keep a knife in here. Sounds a little dangerous, doesn't it? If I can ever open this up completely, I'm trying not to damage the packaging because I don't want to. It looks pretty. It looks beautiful, not pretty. Hold, please. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. So definitely some beautiful, I feel like these are more springy colors than they are fall, although you do have a couple of the darker ones. Let's go in and swatch. Ooh, look at that. That is Purple Dream. In person, it is a very purpley duochrome. So let's swatch this. I am one for swatches, and that was on the same one that I did the blush. Let's redo that. Let's swatch it with this finger right here, and we're gonna swatch it down that is gorgeous. I don't know how well it shows up because it is a little bit light, but it is like a purpley blue duochrome. That is very pretty. And of course I'm going to swatch the purple one right here because I'm a purple fan. Although I don't know on my eyes. Purple is my favorite color though. And that is the matte. It is very light. Let's try it again with the better finger. So I'm going to swatch it and then swatch it here. Very, very light. That's probably something that you're going to have to build up. Purples are really hard to do. I am going to swatch this blue color right here. That felt nice and soft and beautiful. And that's pretty. They're not as dark and pigmented as I expected. You can see my face. I'm like, what is going on? In the palette, they look very bright and very vivid. They look like they are just going to pow. But certainly not what the swatches look like. But again, swatches don't always tell the full story. You may swatch and it looks terrible. You get it on your eye and it looks amazing. So let's do one more. Let's do one that's kind of a more normal one, if that makes any sense. I'm going to swatch this color right here. That would be one that I would use frequently, and it is a matte. Yeah, see, even that one. Well, at any rate, we will try this out and see what we think about this. I like this. It'll depend on how it works. I love this. We'll try it and see if that works. Certainly I like the idea of the Fenty, but I wish I would have gotten a lighter color so that I could actually use it. This is not a bad product at all. Please don't think that. Just not something that I typically use or want in a box, but definitely will try it. Super excited by this, the Murad toner. And then this beautiful, beautiful Laura Geller color. Here it is on my hand, and it is completely dried down. So it is not moving. It is staying there. It is still super vivid. I like that. Let's take a minute. Let's add all this up and see where we're at cost-wise. So box worth $193. I have version 11 on mine. This is the premium version, so it's the $35 version. I do think it is well worth it. I do think that sometimes with the premium version, I expect some better, different products, but they were very high-end this time. Kosas, Fenty, Illuminati, of course, those are Murad, really more of the higher-end products. I am super excited about some of them. I think they're great. I do think the value is there. I think that's awesome. Excited to see my base box. I actually have been liking my base boxes so much more than my premium over the past couple of months, so we'll see what happens when I get my base box. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!